Hello, and welcome to the Knowledge Spot. I'm so thrilled you've joined me today as we embark on a journey into the wild, a journey that will reveal some of the most extraordinary and unexpected secrets of the animal kingdom. Our planet is teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry of beings, each with its own remarkable story of survival and adaptation. But some of these stories are so peculiar, so utterly surprising, that they almost defy belief. We are about to explore 10 such tales. So get comfortable and prepare to be amazed. Number 10, the immortal jellyfish. Our journey begins in the vast, mysterious expanse of the ocean, where a creature no larger than a little fingernail holds a secret that has captivated humanity for millennia, the secret of immortality. This is the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. When faced with environmental stress, physical harm, or simply the ravages of old age, it can halt its own aging process and revert to a polyp, effectively resetting its life. This transdifferentiation is cellular reprogramming, a biological reset. In theory, an individual can cycle indefinitely, a living paradox that continues to puzzle scientists. Number 9, the axolotl. We now travel to the freshwater lakes near Mexico City, the last remaining habitat of a truly enchanting creature. Here lives the axolotl, a type of salamander that seems to have forgotten how to grow up. If an axolotl loses a limb, it regenerates a perfect, fully functional replacement: bone, muscle, skin, and nerves. This includes tails, jaws, and even parts of its spinal cord. The process is meticulous and complete, leaving no trace of the original injury. Scientists study this to unlock healing secrets for human medicine, a humble creature that may hold big answers. Number 8, the pistol shrimp. Let us return to warmer, tropical waters, the coral reefs and seagrass beds. Home to a small but formidable crustacean, the pistol shrimp. One claw is oversized, a specialized snapper. It snaps that claw shut at incredible speed, creating a jet of water and a cavitation bubble. The bubble collapses with massive force, an implosion that produces heat, light, and a shockwave. The snap can reach up to 220 decibels, louder than a gunshot for a microsecond. That shockwave and heat can stun or even kill small fish, which the shrimp drags to its burrow. A tiny hunter that uses the physics of cavitation as a weapon. Number 7, the lyrebird. We ascend from the water and journey to the forest floors of Australia. Here, in dense undergrowth, lives a feathered performer of unparalleled talent. Meet the lyrebird, a master of sound. It can replicate almost any noise it hears with breathtaking accuracy. As humans encroach, it even mimics camera shutters, chainsaws, car alarms, and power tools. Males build a stage and perform a complex medley to attract mates. Its syrinx is extraordinarily complex, enabling incredible range and precision. Hearing human-made sounds from the forest is surreal, a reminder of our impact. An astounding example of adaptation. Number 6, the mimic octopus. Back beneath the waves to shallow sandy seabeds of Southeast Asia, here patrols a master of disguise, the mimic octopus. It changes color and texture, but that's just the start. It flattens and undulates to resemble a venomous flatfish. It can tuck legs and wave 2 arms, mimicking a banded sea snake, or trail its arms to look like a lionfish, deterring predators. This is active, intelligent mimicry, problem-solving in action. A dynamic performance in the ocean's theater. Number 5, the pangolin. We travel to the forests and grasslands of Asia and Africa to meet a peculiar mammal. This is the pangolin, the scaly anteater. It is the only mammal covered head to toe in large keratin scales. When threatened, it curls into an impenetrable ball, scales outward. Most predators cannot penetrate it, yet humans pose the gravest threat. Pangolins are heavily trafficked for their scales and meat, pushing them toward extinction. Conservationists rescue and release them, a gentle soul in need of protection, an artichoke-like armor, a living relic of evolution. Number 4, the glass frog. Into the humid cloud forests of Central and South America. Clinging to the underside of leaves lives the glass frog. From above, it looks like a normal lime-green tree frog, but from below, its belly is transparent, a window into its organs. You can see its tiny, beating heart, digestive tract, liver, even leg bones, a living anatomy lesson, an exquisite camouflage. During sleep, up to 90% of red blood cells concentrate in a reflective liver, increasing transparency. It's a daily disappearing act that keeps them safe, a fragile jewel of the rainforest. Number 3, the maned wolf. We venture to the open grasslands and scrublands of South America's Cerrado. Here stalks a long-legged canid, the maned wolf. It looks like a fox on stilts, unique enough to be in its own genus. Surprisingly, over half its diet is fruit, and it can spread nearly every seed they eat through their poop, except for tough ones like palm seeds. A solitary hunter, not a pack animal. Its scent marking smells famously like burning rubber or cannabis, earning it the nickname skunk wolf. Lanky, enigmatic, and vital to its ecosystem. A creature that defies easy categorization. Number 2, the saiga antelope. To the vast, arid steppes of Central Asia, a land of extremes. Here roams the saiga antelope, immediately recognizable by a bizarre proboscis. A huge, flexible, bulbous nose that hangs over its mouth. During dusty migrations, nasal hairs and mucus trap particles, protecting its lungs. In winter, the large nasal passages warm frigid air before it reaches the lungs. In summer, the same structure helps cool the animal. A relic of the Ice Age that survives with a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering. A living link to a bygone era, fragile and important. And finally, number 1, the narwhal. To the icy Arctic waters of Greenland, Canada, and Russia. Here swims the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. Males sport a single spiral tusk that can reach 10 feet. That magnificent spiral is an elongated canine tooth, porous and filled with nerve endings. Nerves in the tusk connect to the brain, making it a sensory organ. It senses temperature, pressure, and salinity gradients, even particle traces of prey. Used for sparring and subtle social cues, a probe that reads the ocean. A living, breathing sensory tool of almost magical proportions, truly the unicorn of the sea. And so our journey comes to a close. From the immortal jellyfish to the narwhal's sensory tusk, we've seen just a fraction of nature's sheer wonder. Creatures whose abilities push the boundaries of our imagination. Now I would love to hear from you. Which fact amazed you the most? Please share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and turn on notifications. There are more stories to tell. Join me on future adventures. Thank you for watching. Until next time.